Hey everyone, Pat from Aeroflow Performance. Today I'm going to show you through this new little feature that we've got. This item is a universal return line fitting that allows you to put a return line for your fuel system into an existing tank, even a genuine original steel tank. So what is this universal return line fitting? Basically, this is a riv nut or a nutsert disguised as a bung. Effectively, what we're going to do is we'll take this fitting out of the top, and then we're going to take this nut, this bolt that we have here. I'm going to remove that. Then we're going to be drilling a hole in this tank. We're just using this fuel cell that we have as a display unit, so we'll be able to have this in our trailer and everyone will be able to see them fitted. But these work on a factory steel tank as well. You just need to find a flat surface that you can put this back into. Because we're relying on a seal, a compression seal, you want a completely flat surface. So obviously, being a cell, it's nice and flat. So what we'll do, we've located a spot here where we're going to put the fitting, and then we're going to drill a 1/2 inch hole in the top of the tank. So we'll mark it, we'll drill it, and then we'll insert the fitting, and we'll show you how the compression side of the fitting works using this bolt and the washer system. All right, so now you've drilled your hole in the top of the tank. You want to make sure that that's all clear. Get rid of any swarf that's fallen into the tank if possible. Very easy for us with this nice inspection hole here. Then you're going to take the compression part of the fitting, and you've got that Viton washer on there, and that's going to slot into the hole that you've created, and the Viton washer will be in there. Then you're going to take the steel washer and the bolt. You're going to place that on top of the compression fitting and start the thread of the bolt. As you get that down and you snug it down, it'll start to get a little tight as it starts to pull on the threads inside the compression fitting. So we've got that just finger tight. Then we're going to use just an adjustable spanner and a ratchet. The adjustable spanner will hold the fitting where it needs to be. And with the adjustable spanner, we're going to tighten that bolt. As we tighten the bolt, it will start to pull the compression fitting up and expand and mushroom on the bottom, which will hold the fitting in place. So there will be a bit of tension on this once you start. So we'll skip forward to show you the results of the mushrooming underneath. All right, so now we've got the compression fitting installed. We've removed the bolt out of the top there. You can see that there's a nice squish on the Viton O-ring, so there's no fuel going to leak out of there. Then we've got this 8 ORB thread in the top of this fitting, which will take our adapter fitting from a -8 to a -6. We'll basically put that in the top there. Then you've got a -6 return in any steel tank, any fuel cell. You can plumb it however you like, whether it's just simply a push lock hose or perhaps some Teflon hose for an EFI system. That's ready to go. You've got a return, and now you've got your return style or bypass style fuel system set up in original tank or fuel cell. So if you like parts like this, products like this that Aeroflow Performance have in their range, you can check them all out at your local distributor, a quality retail outlet, or jump online at aeroflowperformance.com.